What if I told you there was a way you could travel almost budget-free? And what if I told you there was a way you could learn some new skills and make some new friends? Then what if I told you you could possibly do this forever? Well, today I'm gonna show you a way you could do all three of these things together. First, let's roll the intro. Hey everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but we're finally starting strong again. So, if you're new here, my name is Gabriele and I mainly have two big passions: photography and travel. My goal is to create a lifestyle out of those passions, and chances are, if you're here watching this video, maybe that's your goal too. Anyways, if you're interested in travel and photography tips and tricks, you're on the right channel, so stick around. Enough with the presentations. What's today's topic? Today's topic is HelpX. What is it, how to use it, and why I prefer it so much above other similar websites.
What is HelpX?
HelpX is a website that allows you to look for hosts anywhere in the world, and in exchange of some hours of volunteering every day, you will get free food and accommodation. HelpX suits best those kind of travelers that enjoy to have long-term trips. Hey, let's call a long-term trip as from 2 weeks on, but I'm sure that you'll find some hosts that will allow you to stay for less time if you search for them. Those ones who really like to dive deep inside the local culture of the country they visit. And well, it works it works perfectly if you have a ridiculously low budget. As you see, by traveling through HelpX, you're gonna cut down on those elements that are devouring your budget. By working 4 to 6 hours every day, well, that depends on your hosts. You may even work more hours and have more days off, or work less hours and have less days off. It depends. You will not have to pay for food or for the place you live in, and maybe even for tours. You will be able to meet some fellow volunteers. You will be able to make friends with your hosts and also all the other people that you will meet by traveling normally. Well, we all know how hard and how nice it is to find a fellow traveler. Let's be honest, to not find people that are just tourists, that's tough. So, that's a win-win.
How to use HelpX?
Using HelpX is super easy. All you need to do is to create an account, search for a host you like, contact them, and plan your stay. Oh, and in order to create your own account, you will have to spend about £20 for a 2-year subscription. And yeah, I know.
It's a great offer, £20 for a 2 years free subscription. HelpX, no house, you got it. No friends, you got it. HelpX, call now to get your life straight. Your life is...
Subscribe!
Well, go for HelpX. You don't know where to go? Well, now you know. HelpX, call now. Only $20 for 2 years of free life.
Well, jokes aside, to be honest, for £20 is just an amazing deal. Well, said that, back to the video. Once you're allowed in the private part of your account, then you just need to write down a small description about yourself. Who are you? What can you do to help out? What are your passions? And what are you looking for? Once you're done, put a couple of pictures, and that's it. You can start searching for your perfect hosts. The website is super simple. Okay, the website does look very old, but it works, so who cares? So you won't have any trouble in finding the ones that you like most.
But why HelpX?
I personally enjoy HelpX amongst all the similar websites such as like Workaway or Woof, yada yada yada, because of its huge variety. Like, it's so random. On HelpX you could find homestays, farm stays, touristic businesses, boats, environmental related businesses. It's like so many things. You just need to have the patience to look for the most random thing you can find, and they are all so interesting. HelpX is a great solution to create a stable nomadic lifestyle. The first time I used it and I discovered it, it was in 2016, and I went 9 months straight volunteering. Without it, I wouldn't have met so much people, and I wouldn't have discovered a lot of all those little places that are off the main touristic track. I was lucky, so I even was able to find a paid job with it, so you never know with HelpX. That's why I like it. Oh well, I suppose my time to tune out is about to come, so I just wanted to ask you, did you know about HelpX? What do you think about it, and will you use it in the future? I think it will be a very useful tool for all those new travelers out there. And well, anyways, if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and maybe subscribing on this channel for more. Also, remember to share it with your friends and check out my Instagram. I'm way more active there, so if you wanna keep updated, maybe it's the best place. And my website, remember the website, always remember the website. You will find there some more guides and some content that I just don't or can't publish in video form. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye! If you're new here, my name is Gabriele and I have two big passions, travel and photography. My goal is to create a sustainable... Hey everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but we're starting. Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, HelpX is a website that allows you to search for hosts anywhere in the world. Subscribe. Sun is shining. Live some great adventures with them. So, win-win. Sì, ma questo sto ancora filmando.